welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a good day. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you what is in my hospital bag for my baby. Now I just want to let you know that this is my first baby. I do live in the UK and we are in the middle of a global pandemic. So if it looks like I've packed too much or too little, like I said, this is the first time that I have done this, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be packing. I have had a look on some lists I found on the internet, but they're all so different, so I've kind of like picked things from here and there, and yeah, this is what I've ended up with. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and I do appreciate it so much. And let's get into the video. This is the bag that I went for my hospital bag. This will also be her baby changing bag on a day-to-day basis as well. It's quite big. I'm surprised how much I was able to fit into this bag. I got this bag off of Amazon for £20. I know it is a dupe for, is it Le Queen or something? There's this baby bag that's been going around that is getting really popular, that you can like charge your phone up through the bag and all that sort of stuff. It has like a built-in power bank and all that sort of stuff in it, but I didn't want any of that, and I think that bag is actually £80 or something like that, so I wasn't about to spend that much money on a change of bag. And they had loads of dupe kind of bags on Amazon and eBay, so I decided to get this one, plain black one, for £20 off of Amazon. And I really like it. It's got obviously the handle at the top with the clip, so you can like open it and all that jazz. And then it also has like the straps at the back, so it could be like a rucksack. It has loads of zips, so it has a zip for the top part of the compartment. It has the zip for this bit of compartment. It has pockets on both sides that you can put things in. It has a little pocket just here that you can like put like wipes or something in, and you can also access inside the main part of the bag through this zip at the back as well. So first I'm going to show you what's in this section. Now obviously you don't really know how long you're going to be staying in hospital for. I think at the minute they kind of get you in, you do your thing, give birth, they keep you around to obviously like monitor you and all that sort of stuff and monitor baby, and then you can go home, which is great. Like I really hope that happens to me. I hope it's all fine and I can just go home. But I think if you have to stay overnight, your partner can't stay with you, so he has to leave. So I think I have packed a little bit more than what I actually will need. Better to be safe than sorry, I suppose. So in this first compartment I have a little tiny pot of Sudocrem. Probably won't need this because you're not really supposed to use creams when they're first born because their skin is super sensitive, but it's just so small and cute, so I thought it's not gonna hurt just having it in the bag, is it? Then I have 4 muslin cloths, 2 grey ones and 2 white ones. I suppose these will be really good just to like mop up any spills and sick or like reflux or I don't know, anything like that, just to like lay her down on one, or I don't know, but I've got 4. And these have all been pre-washed. They all smell like fairy fabric softener. It just smells so nice. So yeah, they're in the front. I suppose they're just easy access. And I also have this little mesh baggie, which I thought would be quite nice to have for like dirty clothes. So that's everything in the front bit. Now I'm just going to show you what's in this main section. I really like this bag as well because when you open it up, it's like literally like a massive bucket. It just opens wide so you can really get in there. So first thing, I have this little white cellular blanket, just a plain white one, just to have keep her nice and warm. I can use it when we're bringing her home to like wrap her up when she's in the car seat. So just a nice saddy little white blanket. And then I have a big tub of Vaseline petroleum jelly. The original protecting jelly. I've heard, obviously their first poos is the meconium. It's the super black, sticky, horrible poo. And I've heard some mums on YouTube say that it's quite good to put on their bum as like a sort of barrier. So when they do their first meconium poo, or, you know, a couple of poos, you literally can just wipe it away really, really easy without aggravating their bum because they've got the petroleum jelly. I don't know if I'm going to be using it or not, but I thought it might be a good idea to bring just in case. So I have the petroleum jelly. And also on the poo situation, I have some Johnson's baby oil because I also heard that you can put some of this on like damp cotton rounds and it kind of, the oil gets the poo off the bum a bit easier than just water. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be using this, but I thought I'd bring it just in case. So that's that. Then I have a bunch of clothes. So I have this super cute little baby grow. It's got little giraffes on. I have got a selection of sizes. I obviously have the newborn size and I also have 0 to 3 as well, just in case, because even though you have scans and they kind of tell you how big they are, the scans aren't always correct. So I thought if I bring some slightly smaller baby grows and some slightly bigger baby grows, then she's at least got something she'll fit into. So yeah, I got this baby grow. This I think was from Asda, and I really like it because it's got the little like hook, so you can like wrap it around their little fingers. So instead of using the mittens, you can use the little hook on there. So that's a baby grow I have. I also have this little vest. It has hedgehogs on, like a mummy hedgehog and some baby hedgehogs. There's a vest. I have another vest. This has got little grey polka dots on. I think that's a newborn one. I have another vest. It's got loads of tiny little hedgehogs and leaves on. I think that's a 0 to 3 one. So if it looks like I've got so many clothes, it's because I've got 0 to 3 and newborn. And another vest. This is definitely a newborn first size. It's plain white with little polka dots on the collar. And then I have another baby grow. This is super cute. Look, it's a little pink one and it's got little bows on the pockets. So cute. Little frills on the collar, and again it's got the little mitt thing for the fingers. Super cute. Really like that one. That was from Asda as well, I think. Again with this one came with a set with that pink one I've just shown you. It's a slightly lighter pink. It's got little roses on it, little frilly collar and bows, and again it's got the little mitt thing for the fingers so they don't scratch their face. Super cute. And another one. This one I really like as well. So cute. White with loads of flowers, little Peter Pan collar. Super cute. And it's got like little bows going down where the poppers are. They've all got feet in them as well, so their little toes won't get cold. And again, this one has the little mitt thing. So that's another baby grow. I think I got 2 or 3 of each size, so there's at least like 2 vests and 2 baby grows that are newborn, and 2 vests and 2 baby grows that are 0 to 3. So she should have something to fit into. Okay, next up, in one of the side pockets, I put 2 hats. These are just plain white hats, so they will match anything that she wears. I just have a plain white one like this, and then another plain white one, but this one has little bear ears on. So cute. And these hats are just like one size fits all type thing, so they might be a little bit too big, but gotta keep your head warm. And then we have a bunch of nappies. Yeah, altogether we've packed 10, but we will have like the rest of the pack in the car just in case we go through all of them before we leave the hospital, but you never know. So we've got 10 nappies and the rest of the pack will be in the boot of the car. Along with the nappies, I just brought a pack of fragrance nappy sacks. It's the Nutmeg brand, so I think is Nutmeg Morrison's. Yeah, these are fragranced nappies, so her poo will smell nice. I also have bought a pack of water wipes. I know they do say to just use like water and cotton, but I just bought a pack anyway, just in case. I also got cotton. These is just cotton wool. I haven't got cotton pads. I probably should get cotton pads, but cotton wool. It's just, yeah. We've got a pack of that. Carrying on with her clothing, I have this little sleep suit thing. It's from the brand Happiest Baby. I don't know if you can see that. But it's like a swaddle, but because my partner was a bit worried about learning how to swaddle a baby, and obviously she'll be too small for a sleep sack thing, we thought these would be quite good because this is for 0 to 2 months, so it's quite small. It's pink with little stars on, if you can just about see, and basically you have a zip, you unzip it all the way to the bottom, and then you open it up, and then there's an option where you can either have their hands down or she can have her hands out, because at the side here there's little poppers where you can open it up and makes a hole for her hands. And then inside here there's a little Velcro strap that you can open up. You put her in and then like kind of strap her up, and it keeps her in place, and then you sort her hands out wherever you want them, down or out, and then you just zip her back up again. And I thought that would just be really, really handy, so she feels like she's being swaddled but without the faff of the blanket. Yeah, I don't really know how to swaddle a baby either, but I'm not sure if we will be using this, but I thought if I just bring it anyway, then it's there just in case. But we will probably just be using the blanket. Next up we have a little teeny tiny cardigan. It's so cute, little pink buttons. My partner's mum knitted this for her, so I thought it'd be really cute to bring. Keep her warm. I have another cellular blanket just in case one gets dirty. This is just a nice pink one. Next I have this changing mat. It's like a travel changing mat. I got it from, it's Mamiya brand. That's Audi. Got it from Audi. And you have this section at the top where you can put your wipes in there. And then you open it up and it's like just a really big mat. Yeah, waterproof, convenient for on the go, really handy to have. This bag didn't come with a changing mat, so we bought that extra. And then this little bag is going to be her first outfit for going home. So when we're ready to go home, we're going to put her in this, and yeah, I'll show you what we have. A pair of little white socks. So cute. So diddy. We have a pair of scratch mitts as well. This outfit doesn't have, it's not a baby grow, so it doesn't have the little like built-in mitts, so we bought some scratch mitts. Then we have just a nice plain little vest. We have some little leggings. We've got little houses and bunnies on and little deer. So cute, and with little bows on the legs. And then we also have this really cute little knitted jumper. It's long sleeve. It's like a little jumper dress with a little pattern at the front and like little frilly shoulders. So yeah, that's her first outfit for going home. That is everything in her bag. I'll just show you the inside of the bag because it actually has so many pockets. It's so good. I don't know whether you'll be able to see this, but you have like 2 pockets here, pocket on either side, and a zipped pocket just there. So much storage space. And again, it opens up really, really big. So I'm quite amazed that I was able to fit so much stuff into that bag. That is everything in her bag for the hospital and for coming home. So I haven't put anything like nail clippers or like a hairbrush or like bogey suckers or anything like that in her bag. I don't really think it's necessary when she's just been born, but I'm not really sure. So please, if you feel like I've forgotten anything, let me know in the comments down below, because I need to know these things. Please like the video, comment if you have any suggestions of other things that I will need, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!